Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the one hand mode in this device. So before enable the one hand mode, we need to enable the full screen gestures in this device. So in this device I already enabled the full screen gestures. That means you need to hide the navigation buttons from the bottom tab. So let me show you how to enable and how to use the one hand mode in this device. Open settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings, then here you can see the option one hand mode. Tap on this one, turn on this option. Now swipe down at the bottom of the screen like this. You can see now the one hand mode is enabled. Okay, so to go back, just swipe up, otherwise just tap on the blank area on the top. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable the one hand mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.